Welcome to this technical guide on the PS5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your PS5 is on but your telly shows nothing, you're likely dealing with an HDMI port issue. This can happen due to wear and tear, or if the cable has been inserted incorrectly over time. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, potentially costing more to repair later on. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement HDMI port, and some thermal paste. First, ensure that your PS5 is completely powered off and unplugged from the wall. Then, place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the outer casing. Be gentle and ensure you keep the screws safe as you'll need them later. Once the casing is off, locate the HDMI port. It's usually situated on the rear of the console. Check for any visible damage or loose connections. To extract the faulty HDMI port, carefully disconnect any cables attached to it. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it loose, taking care not to damage surrounding components. When replacing the port, align the new HDMI port with the existing connections. Secure it in place with the screws, ensuring not to over-tighten as this can cause further damage. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the new port is securely in place, reconnect any cables you previously unplugged. Carefully replace the outer casing, ensuring that all screws are reinserted properly. Finally, plug your PS5 back in and power it on. Check if your telly displays the image correctly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that your HDMI cable is properly inserted and avoid pulling on the cable when unplugging. Regularly check the connections to ensure they remain secure. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.